Welcome to today's video tour. Today, I'm going to be showing you a unit right here in the neighborhood of Brickell with 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths, laundry in the unit, and guess what? It's located in the same level as the pool area, and it's the only unit in the building that has direct exposure to the pool. So basically, it's like living in a condo with a backyard pool, which is an amazing combination. Best of all, the listing price. It is currently listed at $519,000. A few things that I'm just gonna add real quick is that it has 2 parking lots. It has storage. Where in Brickell a unit has storage that's around $500,000? Almost none. So if you're interested in this unit or any other property right here in Brickell, in Miami, in South Florida, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. All my information is gonna be here and also on the description box. Send me a text, send me an email, or give me a call and I'll be more than happy to help you make the move. Let's talk about the location first. Of course, I already mentioned it is located in Brickell, but why is this property so special? Well, it is located to the west of Brickell, which means you are in the middle of it all, but you are in a much quieter area and only half a mile or 3 blocks away from Publix, which is a supermarket, the Metro Rail, the Metro Mover, and a short 5 to 8 minute walk to Brickell City Center. So you can enjoy Brickell without the noise. Okay, let's begin the tour right here in the pool. Like I mentioned to you, this is your backyard. The unit is literally right there. So you wake up in the morning, you grab a cup of coffee, and you just hop into the pool area as if you're living in an actual house, but it's a condo, but it's a house. And like I said, it's the only unit that has the pool as a backyard in the background. And as you can see, it's not really that busy. So it's not like you're gonna have a lot of people hear noises, not at all. That's one of the main things that I love about this unit. In the amenities or common area. By the way, I really love the way they mix and match the decor here in the pool. It's like very summery, very Miami. In this same level, on the 5th floor, you're gonna have the gym right there and a conference party room right there, which means that while you work out, you have this very nice view. So workout, 10, and hop to your apartment without taking 1 single flight of stairs or 1 elevator. Here in the gym, you have most of the basic items that you will need for your everyday workout, from treadmills, elliptical machines, bike machines, the chest press, the pull down machine, free weights, and of course, like I mentioned to you, the pool view, which is amazing while you're working out. Here on this same level, you'll have this common room or patio room that you can use for co-working, entertaining. You can also rent it out if you have a special event like a birthday or anything that you want. You have it also on the same floor as your unit. Now it's time to start the tour of the unit 502. As soon as you step in, you're gonna find this space, which can be considered like a dance space. You can put a table, you can put a desk, you can put a Murphy bed if you have guests. You can do multiple things with this space because it is a little bit separated from the rest of the apartment or the common areas. Moving along to your right, you're gonna have a fully equipped kitchen with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. It's a 3-wall kitchen, so you have plenty of cabinet to put anything that you need from your pantry, and that wide door that you see right there, it's also more pantry space. The good thing is that it also faces the window or the balcony door, so all of the natural light comes in while you're preparing your favorite meal. In the living room area, which is right by the balcony, you can see how this very large couch fits perfectly fine in an L shape. You have the TV console, the TV stand, which is very large, and even a mirror. So that can tell you how spacious this living room is. Stepping out into the balcony, which is a very extended balcony, and is one of them, and I'm gonna show you the second one in just a moment. Here, like I mentioned earlier, you have direct view to the pool, so you can have that Miami vibe of being by the water on an everyday basis. You can have your coffee in the morning and looking at this beautiful pool. Also, keep in mind that this is the front of the condo, but this unit is located in the corner of the building, so you have double exposure. Continuing to the primary bedroom, you can see here how a queen-size bed fits perfectly fine, and I believe you can even fit a king-size bed along with the 2 nightstands, so that shows you that it is very spacious. Also, keep in mind both bedrooms have ceiling fans, which is going to help you a lot during the hot summer months, and also it may have a positive impact into your electric bill. Now, this primary bedroom has its own separate balcony, so if you want some privacy from the rest of the house, you also have this space which can easily fit 2 chairs and a table, so you can relax and have a moment by yourself. This primary bedroom also counts with a walk-in closet, and you have space to the right and to the left and a mirror all the way to the end for you to look before you go out. Inside the primary bedroom, you also have your private bathroom, which also features the tub shower combination. Moving along to the second bedroom, you can appreciate how this one also has a ceiling fan, and it has plenty of bright light because the window faces the east side of the property, meaning the pool and the balcony that I previously showed. Remember, this is a corner unit, so you are going to have not only plenty of light, but also a really nice airflow. If you open all of the windows and the balcony, the air flows very, very nicely. The second bathroom, it's the perfect bathroom for the bedroom, but also the common areas or guests. It's right next to the living room, and it also features a tub shower combination along with granite countertop on the sink vanity. This unit definitely have many extras like washer and dryer inside the unit, bike storage, 2 parking spaces, one next to the other, and like you can see, they are very private, and also an air-conditioned extensive storage space. So you have it all in this incredible 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo unit in Brickell. And this has been all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video tour, and if you're interested in this property or any other property in Miami, Florida, whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. All my information is gonna be down here and also at the description box, but I really encourage you to look for this property because these prices and this layout and all of these plus that this property has is really not that often found in Brickell. So don't hesitate, just give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, and I'll be more than happy to help you make the move.